My pan is hot. So then I'm going to add mustard seed, cumin seeds. Tomato. Going to add garlic, ginger, and green chili. I'm going to let this soften. I'm going to cover it up and let it cook. Our tomatoes have softened, so that we are going to add our spices. Now we have added salt to our chana, so don't put too much salt. You can always taste it and then you can add more salt. So right now I just put a little bit of salt. Wow, tomato paste looks amazing. So our tomato have cooked, our spices have cooked. You see a little bit of oil coming out? Right there. It makes the curry really good when all the spices comes out, all the oil comes out. So now to that we are going to add our boiled chana. And we are going to let this come to a boil. So our chana, the water is boiling, and we are going to let it boil. And we don't want it to be too watery. So I'm just going to let it boil to a thick consistency. So our chana has been boiling away and you see how nice and thick the consistency got? So now let's check for the salt. Actually the salt is perfect, and this is what our consistency will be. If depending, if you want a little bit more creamy, you can leave more water, but for me this is perfect. So our chana is done.